What's up, guys? So I guess I'm gonna start out the video today because Kyle's occupied at the moment. I'll show you guys a little bit later. But so what I got going on right now is I'm getting the head all ready to put onto the block. So I already went ahead and did this like little tap that you got to do for like any B20 VTEC, Alice VTEC, anything like that. So you got to tap that. And then I got the little Allen key that I got from Ace Hardware. And then after that, I realized I forgot that I have to drill out the holes a little bit bigger right here on this side of the head for the dowel pins. So I already went ahead and did that on this side. If you can see that right there. So yeah, it fits in good, goes in there, just like that. Then now I gotta go and do it to the bottom one. So go ahead and start doing that. Alright, so I pretty much got the hole all the way drilled out there. You can kind of see it, but the the drill died on me, so gotta wait for the battery to charge. I know there are they're called step down dial pins. They could use it for this. It pretty much just like shrinks down to the size that it's like regular right here, and then opens up, so you could use it for this right here, and you don't have to drill anything. But I'm doing it the old-fashioned way, so I'm gonna go ahead and wait till that's fully charged. But also, I got the transmission over here already painted, ready to go. Oh, and I also went down to Emilio's and picked up this stage 5 competition clutch from him. Anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna wait for that to charge, and let's go see what Kyle's up to. Alright guys, so I already went ahead and put the dowel pins in. They go in a little tight so they don't come out, so that's perfectly fine. That's right there. That's pretty much it. So now it's all ready to go onto the block. I just gotta put the head gasket on, and then we could go ahead and slap her on. Alright guys, so the head went down all smooth, everything's good. Dowel pins went in smoothly. Head gasket's all flat and everything. So now I'm gonna be putting the ARP nuts and washers in. So go ahead and get started on that. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and torque the head down. We're gonna do 20, 40, 60, then probably 82, just because I like to go a little higher than usual. Recommended for it was 80, but I'm just gonna go 82 just to have that little extra tightness. Alright, so now we're going to put the cams on, then move on to the cam caps. Go ahead and torque all those down, and then after that we'll go ahead and do the timing and just keep going from there. We're almost done, so it's going to be a pretty quick little thing just to do. Could have had it all done the day before, but you know, we ended up going to the meets and whatnot, but it's coming together, guys. Alright guys, so we got the cam caps all torqued down to 20 foot-pounds, and then these little 10s are supposed to be torqued down to 7, but you know, I just did it myself. So the motor is all in time already, so this little arrow right here, you can see it for you guys that don't know how to do timing on a B20 VTEC or Alice VTEC. This is how you do it. So a good trick, I don't know if it's a good trick or not, but to get these little notches, I don't know if you can see them, these little notches right there on the cam to line up perfectly with the head. And then right here in the middle too, kind of see it. Just like that. And then after that, we can go ahead and put on the timing belt and tighten the tensioner down. Just like that. There's tension here, tension there, and there. And then we'll just tighten up the tensioner, and timing's done.
Neato. All right, well, while I was playing Fortnite with Cletus, Jeremy got the head put on his motor. Did a really good job. So sorry I did not help you out. I was a little occupied there.
Dude, it was so easy, like, it was quick.
Was it? I mean, dude, Cletus hit me up. I had to play some Fortnite. Actually, I hit him up, and he said he was down, so I kind of had to play with him. Yeah. But Jeremy got the head thrown on real quick. He got the timing belt put on. Should be all ready to go, nice and tight. There is a tape on it right now because he's getting ready to paint it, make it look all pretty. And what else did you do? He also had to drill out the dowel pins on the head before he put it on because it's like putting a VTEC head on a B20. The pins are in like a different spot.
Just swapped pretty much. So they were on the exhaust side and then just flipped them to the intake side, and yeah.
Just to do that to make the head fit, but she's looking good. So now I just got to get her painted, and I think we're gonna try to take it off the engine stand, and then we'll put the flywheel and clutch on, and then get the transmission bolted up, and then that's probably where we're gonna stop for tonight. And then tomorrow we can focus on trying to get it into the car, and then just get it running from there. But we got to make it look good first. People always ask if I blaze, but I just get high off paint fumes.
How it gets done.
Make sure we keep all the doors closed.
Dude, it smells like, the smell from the engine bay has been in here for like a week.
Dude, it smells like spray paint in here for the last month.
Yeah, like right when
ever since we did the van, it's just been paint smell in here. That's the most torque this flywheel's ever gonna see. Well, we hit a roadblock. The only alignment tools we have do not work on a B series. It's the right size spline, but it doesn't fit into the pilot bearing on the flywheel.
Damn it.
That sucks.
I'll just go get one from my mom's house because I know I have one there.
Yeah, Brent will have one too, if anything, which is right down the street. So, gonna have to wait on that for tonight. Can't get the tranny on yet. But at least the motor's together and looking good. Yeah. With that clean paint.
It's like you didn't even break it anymore.
Can't even tell. Yeah, I accidentally broke Jeremy's plastic spark plug cover thing right here. Damn it, man. But we'll just glue that back on. No one will know. Gotta lay that on there so we can get a thumbnail real quick. Got the intake on there too. It's looking nice. Ooh. She's gonna be in tomorrow, bro.
Yeah.
It's gonna be in. Well, I guess that's as far as we can get on Jeremy's motor since we don't have the clutch alignment tool. Just gonna have to wait till tomorrow until we can get that, and then we'll get the transmission on, and or get the clutch on and then the transmission, and then we can drop her in the car hopefully tomorrow, get this thing going. But I think that's gonna be it for tonight, guys. Just giving you a quick little update on where we're at on Jeremy's Civic. That's what we did for most of the day, or at least he did it while I played Fortnite, and then I came out to help for like the last 10 minutes. But that's what went down today, guys. Figured we'd make a quick video about it. And yeah, thanks for watching.